Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening WhatsApp and going straight to Settings, because that's where QR management lives. Tap the QR code icon beside your name to open your QR profile. Once done, check whether you want to update your profile photo first. The QR reflects your profile image in some contexts, so change it now if needed. Make sure you're logged into the account whose code you want to change, and that you have a stable internet connection, so WhatsApp can apply updates immediately. Now, view my code to see your current QR and the available options. This is where you generate or export. If you want to change who can scan it, use the menu to reset or regenerate if WhatsApp offers that option. Otherwise, update your profile info and re-export the QR image. Once you tap Share, choose Save Image or Send to Contacts, so the new QR replaces the old wherever you distribute it. Remember to confirm the saved image shows the correct profile and data. Finish by testing the new QR with a second device so you verify it works before sharing broadly. This confirms scanners resolve your profile correctly. If scanning fails, make sure WhatsApp is updated and try clearing the app cache or restarting your phone, because stale data often blocks changes. If you changed profile details and the QR still reflects old info, recreate and re-export the QR. Also consider asking recipients to delete prior copies, so only the updated code is used moving forward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.